Welcome to the Midwest Telecom tutorial on how to set up your interactive voice response system. You may be wondering, what does IVR mean? Interactive voice response is a business phone system feature that reads a combination of touch tone and voice input. Think of the last time you called a company. Most likely, you were greeted by a recorded message that prompted you to dial a number for a specific department. A well-designed IVR system helps avoid hold times by rerouting callers to the right department or person. Your first step for setting up your IVR system is to record your IVR message. Dial *301 on any office phone, record your message and prompts, then press the pound key. We recommend these 5 tips for your IVR message. Use our example as a guideline. Once you have recorded your IVR message, head on over to the Midwest Telecom portal and log into your account. On the main menu to the left, click IVR, then click the Add IVR. Now type in a name and an IVR number. These identifiers can be anything you like so long as you have not already assigned them to other greetings or extensions in your system. From the main greeting drop-down box, select the greeting you recorded. For each menu option you included in your recorded message, choose a destination type from each corresponding drop-down box. Now select the destination for each of your menu options. The drop-down box for each destination shows all the selections available for the destination type you chose. Click Save and you're done. And there you have it, how to set up your interactive voice response system. Still need help? Give us a call or send an email. We're here for you. And thanks for choosing Midwest Telecom for your business communication needs.